It's the Renegade Masquerade. We are here at Medlock Culvert. I'm here with Culture Vulture.
Oi, oi.
And this is my first time here, but it's Culture Vulture's third time. So go onto his channel if you want to see part 1 and 2, and we'll see you in there. Peace. Yo guys, we are here at the Culvert now. Culture Vulture is charging on ahead. We've just come from that way, and we're about to go into the belly of the beast. Let's go. Make sure you bring your fucking wellies if you come here. Is that it?
As you can see there, we get a bit of light on it there. This has died, and you can see that. I mean, come on, guys, that's a gravestone.
Yeah.
That's a fucking gravestone. On the way out, I will be grabbing that and propping it up against the side of where. I don't know what the reason it's like. There was a post on Facebook. I think it was this Tuesday.
Fucking hell. This light doesn't do shit. Fucking hell, yeah, you can proper tell. That's a good one.
Just turn my torch on.
Yeah.
And we'll have Cammy's torch, put his torch on. That's the difference, you know. So that's the torch I normally use.
Go on, do yours.
And I'll light it up for you so you can see it. Sort of like, it's just like a little, there we go, a little thing there. I'm just like, new torch off Wish. There we are.
A lot better that.
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't show up on the camera, but visually, you see a lot better. So, yeah, here we are.
Oh, it is massive, isn't it?
It's dark in here, Cam. So hopefully I'll get across halfway down the culvert. That's the torch is 1,200 lumens. And again, it's still not even lighting the place up. And I've still got another torch.
Yeah, we need fucking 2 of them.
Yeah.
Easy. And attach these onto our bags. Fucking hell. In we go. What's up, guys? A little old overrun pipe there. Fucking hell. How long does this go on for then? How long does this go on for then? Fucking ages.
Tree on that side, so you need to
Yeah.
pass the tree first. Once you pass the tree, there's another bark and then across the top, sort of.
Yeah.
Up here. Then there's a silo on this side, which I'm checking is even in it. Or is this the silo now? Yeah, there's steps to the silo. There's a tree. Again, you can't really see that. Got a tree over there. Again, I'm on the other side today, guys. I've done this 2 times before, and I was on the left-hand side as we were walking down. So I want to do the right-hand side today, because there it is. Here's that silo. Then you can't really see, guys. I'm trying to get cancelled. He's got my other torch today.
Ooh. Spooky, spooky.
Steps we go. Again, it's going to be a very, very
Yo. That is big. Try and get on here. See all the little sections in it. It's crazy. Don't Depends if you climb it. Yeah? Get Steve-O down there.
So you've got a pair of earphones in there.
Yeah, it must be. Oh, that's pretty sick. See all these fat bolts. And on we go. Back out here. No monsters yet. Do you want to drop another glow stick in? Shit yourself up.
Yeah. Last time. Give my back, guys. Get my glow stick out.
See all the fucking midges and shit in here.
What was that?
Fucking midges. Oh, cars and shit, won't it?
There you go, guys. You can stand that in the, get it in the water. So torch into the beam.
Bloop. Yeah, yeah. I can see how this would fucking bug you out on your own.
What, on your own? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. I did this on my own side. It was, I was walking a lot quicker, let's say.
Yeah.
Again, it's dark in here, guys, so I do apologise. How tall would you say this car? In the walkway?
15 feet.
Yeah.
10, 15. Easily.
But it is pretty long.
Oh yeah, no doubt about that. So fucking water really spreads out now, doesn't it? I always think that rumbling's a massive fucking wall of water. Yeah, yeah.
See, that's the doorway, guys, but it's been bricked up, so I'm wondering where is that going to?
Yeah.
It's been bricked up.
Bring the crowbar, yeah?
Yeah. Get the chisel and hammer out. It's an iron depository.
Yeah. Got loads of that down here. These flies are fucking pissing me off now. Water comes over a bit now, careful. Bit narrow. Yeah. Looks wider that side, doesn't it?
Now we're going to get one.
Sure.
This side, mate,
Yeah.
to check the gravestone. The stairs are on that side, mate.
Careful. Yeah, yeah.
I'm just trying to just have a little visual natural, is it? See grooves in it.
Yeah, yeah.
Is that another bit of a gravestone, guys?
Mate, these midges are fucking everywhere. Fucking hell. Fucking piranhas, mate. Fucking hell. Gotta put my mask on. Fuck these. We are sorted. Yeah, yeah. Whatever, mate.
We're walking upstairs and what, bro?
Yeah, yeah. That's behind us, basically. Fucking hole in the wall, eh? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, be sure to come on my channel, guys. I've got the light. Yeah. No? Turn around that corner. Ooh. Yeah. It's a bit creepy, isn't it? I know, yeah, after all that fucking way. Woo. Let's see what's up here, guys. Again, if you want to see Dino's perspective, Culture Vulture TV. Represent. Ah, there's fuck all up here. Just enough of the water to come through there. Tell you what, 10,000 likes, I'll fucking crawl through it. Huh? Have you not? Ah, yeah. Yeah, it goes up, there's like a,
Yeah, but I've seen what's up there.
Yeah, yeah.
On different videos, mate.
oh yeah, little hole.
That's the runoff, guys, for the ship canal. It's above us, not the ship canal. I think it's the Ashton Canal or the Rochdale Canal, which is above us, but it's just a runoff for that, basically.
Yeah. I said 10k likes, I'll crawl through it.
Pardon?
10k likes and I'll crawl through it.
Yeah. Do that, guys. 10,000 likes and Cam will crawl through it. It's a 100 fucking thing. I'll crawl through it.
Here we are, guys, at the end now.
There's like a little cool thing here, you can probably walk as well, you know, Cam.
Yeah. What's this then? Oh, nice. Spacious. Fucking hell. It's back up now. Don't die. Spacious in there, mate.
Yeah, I've been up that one, pal. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to call this one
Yeah, guys.
down here.
Hope you enjoyed. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed, guys. We'll see you in the next one. It's only a short video. Wasn't particularly bright, but hopefully you enjoyed it. See you later.
Peace. Keep it like that way.
Careful in that water.
Hello? Hello? Bang. You know the bangs coming out of that? That's your bangs coming out of that, guys? Hello?
Hello, my friend.
Right, we'll take over here now, guys. Hearing weird noises coming out of that. But we'll just stay. Nah. That's not even making a weird noise when you think it. Yeah, sorry guys, got carried away there with the noises. But give it a little light on there, Cam. There she is. She's out. Yeah, right, I'll have a little scout around now, guys, for a couple more. But I think that's it from Vulture.